Hello Macaulay. Welcome to our channel. Inaku Mahindra Thar Oda Review Pakalam. Emission norm Pothing and a BS6. Fuel type diesel and petrol. Transmission automatic and manual. Max power output Pothing and a 130 bhp at 3750 rpm. Max torque output 300 Nm at 1600-2800 rpm. Mileage, less than or equal to 15. First diesel engine specifications Apakalam. Engine display 2184cc rear AC vents no. Automatic climate control no. Audio control yes. Cruise control yes. Fog lamps front. ESP yes. Next petrol engine Apath Apakalam. Engine type M Stallion 150 TGD engine. Engine displacement 1997 cubic centimeters, max power 150 bhp at 5000 rpm. Max torque 300 Nm at 1250-3000 rpm. No of cylinders 4. Transmission manual and automatic. Gearbox 6-speed. Drive type 4x4. Brakes front disc la rear la drum kuda thurakanga. Steering type powered kuda thurakanga. Minimum turning radius 5.25 m. Tire size 245/75. R16. Wheel size R16. 16-inch alloy kuda thurakanga. Tire type tubeless, radial. Walk around Pakalam Bangha.
We used to look up at the sky and wonder at our place in the stars. This is
Interior view Pakalam Bangha.
now you have to live in it. The end is in our sights. The future is already here. No matter how hard we tried, we are doomed. Say your goodbyes. Brace yourself. I can see the end inside. Three, two, one. Hardwired.
This is Vinu Chakravarti signing off. Thank you. Save trees, save motoring.